Darling, we're not doing this anymore. I need you to change your mind. Yep. Thank you. I'm actually doing Reiki on Angus right now to let him know that it's not okay to be in my space. And he just walked away. And that is exactly how you influence and affect the space around you. My pet wanted to be on my lap because it's something we've done in the past. It's not serving the space that we're in anymore. He cannot be on my lap. I didn't have to be aggressive. I didn't even have to be disciplinary. I simply told him what I intended and expected. I cleared the energy from the tip of his nose to the bottom of his tail, and he walked away and laid down. This is how we are of enormous benefit when we have our first degree of Reiki, because we are grounded, open, connected, and protected. And with our second degree of Reiki, we use that energy to transform the experience of those around us. He had no idea that that's what I expected of him, but in his body, a calm sense of energy came over that told him he was safe, he didn't need to be on my lap, and now he's laying down. That's a practical way that we can use this energy.